If your Gmail inbox is packed and you want to clean it up fast, this video is going to show you exactly how to bulk delete emails in the Gmail app step by step. Whether you are clearing out old promotions, unwanted messages, or just trying to organize your inbox, this is one of the quickest ways to free up space and reduce clutter. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and go to mail.google.com. You can do this in your browser on desktop or use Gmail in your mobile browser if needed. Once Gmail loads, you should be looking at your inbox or the category where the emails you want to remove are located. This could be primary, promotions, social, or even a search result if you are targeting specific messages. Now, to start selecting emails, look at the checkbox at the top left above your emails. Click that checkbox to select all of the visible emails on the current page. This is the first step in bulk deleting because it allows you to grab multiple messages at once instead of deleting them one by one. If you only want to remove the emails currently shown on screen, this may already be enough. However, if you want to delete every email in that folder or search result, look for the option that says Select All Conversations. This usually appears at the top after you click the first checkbox. When you choose this option, Gmail will expand the selection beyond just the visible emails and include every conversation in that category or research. This is especially useful if you want to clear out hundreds or even thousands of messages quickly. Once you have selected the emails you want to remove, the next step is to delete them. Find the trash or delete icon, usually located at the top of Gmail near the other action buttons. Click that icon and Gmail will move the selected emails into the trash folder. At this point, the emails are not permanently gone yet, which is important because it gives you a chance to recover them if you change your mind. After that, if your goal is to permanently delete those emails, you need to empty the trash. To do this, go directly to mail.google.com/mail/u/0/# trash. This takes you to the trash folder where all deleted messages are stored temporarily. Inside the trash, look for the button that says Empty Trash Now. Click it and Gmail will permanently remove those emails from your account. It is a good idea to be careful before emptying the trash because once those messages are gone permanently, they cannot usually be recovered. So if you are not completely sure, take a moment to double check your selection before you confirm. But if you are ready to fully clean up your inbox, this is the final step you need. And that is how you bulk delete emails in the Gmail app quickly and safely. You start by selecting the emails, choose all conversations if needed, delete them, and then empty the trash if you want them gone forever. This simple process can save you a lot of time and help keep your Gmail account organized. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, productivity tips, and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.